Hi, this is Bob Iaccino talking copper futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. July contract finished up about 13.5 cents on more talk of a strike extension at the Grasberg mine in Indonesia. Freeport-McMoRan, who owns the mine, has had just tons of problems with this particular mine. Now, copper is a base metal, and base metals supply concerns in base metals are very common, but this particular mine, from export problems between the government of Indonesia and Freeport-McMoRan themselves, and then the strike that followed after once they got their export license sorted out, this particular mine is almost, it's at a complete loss for Freeport-McMoRan at this point. And the supplies that are supposed to be coming out of this particular mine have been out of the market now for going on 4 months. So this strike extension is not good news for the supply of copper and help push up price. We also had more dollar weakness, reversing some of the gains that we got yesterday. That dollar weakness just in the entire commodity patch tends to raise the price of commodities, and the dollar weakness continues. We don't see strength in the dollar coming anytime soon, and that's certainly something that's going to continue to push commodity prices higher, mostly in the base commodities as well as crude oil, not so much in precious metals, although it does push precious metals up as well. Copper, iron ore, aluminum, palladium, those are the metals that generally get the boost again, along with crude oil, although crude oil didn't get much of that today at all. And on top of that dollar weakness, the Fed has not changed their stance on the June meeting. We got the minutes yesterday, and the June meeting remains at 83.1%, according to the CME Fed Watch tool, in terms of whether they're going to hike 25 basis points or not. Now, in the minutes we got on yesterday, they essentially spelled out that they were going to start this year reducing the $2+ trillion balance sheet by not reinvesting proceeds. Although they didn't give a date, it was a unanimous vote. And that's where that spike in the dollar came from yesterday. But because they didn't really specify when, all they did was let the market know it's probably earlier than most people thought. We reversed most of that today. So again, the Fed is really controlling the direction of the dollar, along with some of the domestic political concerns between Congress and the White House and the ongoing investigations in terms of collusion with Russia. So those things have weakened the dollar. The dollar is now past where it was, past its pre-election price range. So it's back in the lows of October, and that doesn't seem to be turning around anytime soon. So copper's getting a bid from that as well. Copper's definitely basing from a price perspective. If you're watching base metals, which are very close related to precious metals, check out the CME Gold Challenge in the link below, where you can enter to win a 1-ounce gold bar, which will probably go up in value if things continue the way they have been. This is Bob Iaccino talking copper futures from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.